Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Python 3, 8 or newer and activating a virtual environment. Once done, pip install Streamlit and the exact model libs you need so runtime matches training. Make sure to place your trained model file and a lightweight preprocessing function in a project folder. Then create a requirements, txt and commit only necessary dependencies. Open a code editor and create app. Py. This is where you will wire inputs, preprocessing, model loading, and outputs. Right now, begin with model load logic. Now you implement the app logic. Place model loading at module scope or use sent cache resource so the model persists across reruns. This reduces latency. Next, build concise input widgets for text, files, or images and immediately validate inputs. Inconsistent shapes break inference. Use a dedicated preprocess function to convert user data into tensors or feature arrays. Then call your inference function, ideally wrapped in sent cache data or an async coroutine, and format results as JSON-like DICs or readable metrics for the UI. Finish by polishing the UI, adding loading indicators, and extensive local tests using Streamlit Run app. Py. Once stable, containerize with a small Docker file or push to Streamlit community/your cloud provider. Make sure to set correct ports and env variables. After deployment, monitor logs and response times. If inference fails, check model device mismatch and missing dependency versions. Mismatched tensor device errors are common. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failure locally with the exact container image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.